Hello everyone, welcome to the Assorted bag. So today we are going to look at two words that appear to be close synonyms. We are talking about specific and particular. So these two words ideally mean distinguished in some form among others of the same kind. So in most of the situations we end up using them as synonyms. That is, in sentences where we might use specific, we think we can also replace it with particular, and the other way around as well. Let's see an example. Say for example we have a question or a sentence. Do you have a particular book that you want to read? And say we have another question as, do you have a specific book that you want to read? So in these two cases you see the use of specific and particular can be interchangeable, because both of them are something that mean the same in these two cases or in these two questions. But in some cases where we wish to be particular with the kind of vocabulary that we follow, use of specific is more in the formal tone or in the technical aspect. Say for example in medicine. So in medicine, when we say a specific remedy, so when we use the term a specific remedy, we are actually talking about a specific remedy that is used to treat a particular ailment. So in these cases the use of specific is quite clear, because what follows specific, that is the word after specific, in this case specific remedy. So the word that follows specific is explicit, unique, special and distinct. On the other hand, when we are talking about particular, particular refers to something that is non-specific or something that is part of something or a partial form of something. Say for example we have a particular tenant or a particular agent. So in these cases tenant and agent are already of one kind and we are talking about a part of it. So here we can make use of the term particular. So in general, if you wish to understand how you're going to decide whether you use specific or particular, let me be very clear. Specific is something that you should be using before words that satisfy certain criteria or requirements or conditions. So when you have a word or a term or say a noun that is satisfying some sort of conditions, then use specific before it. On the other hand, if you have a word that need not satisfy any particular criteria or condition, in that case you can make use of a particular, because we are referring to something that is non-specific and does not need to have a requirement or a condition satisfied. So I hope you have clearly distinguished between the use of specific and particular. Specific is more formal, use it for words that satisfy certain conditions. Particular can be used in a casual and non-formal approach where words following it need not particularly satisfy a condition or requirement. So I hope you've liked today's video. So why don't you all hit the thumbs up. Do leave in the comment section if you want me to come up with more similar videos in the future. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you receive notifications for all our future videos. I shall see you on soon with our next video then. Till then, thank you for watching. Take care and bye-bye.